Hey guys, I just got three Galaxy things: the Galaxy Watch 6, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I'm gonna unbox one by one. Let's start with Galaxy Z5 first. Wow, looks cool. This side we have this paper bag, and I think we have something in there. We have a cable. We have a USB-C to C cable and the quick starter guide, and nothing else I think, but let's check. Oh, the SIM ejector pin. Okay, that's it from here. Let's keep this aside and let's check the phone itself. So it's wrapped around the black paper. Let me close it. So any guess for my color? Let's see what color I got. Yeah, green one. Oh, I feel so afraid. Let's see. Wow, really nice. It's piano black, and this is green. Let's start this beast. So I need to set it up, so I will do it later. So let's get started with Galaxy Watch 6.